I know how uncomfortable it can be when your breasts feel full or sore. In these videos, I'll show you how to use a breast pump correctly and remind you how to express milk safely. For pumping, we need a breast pump. There are two kinds, electric ones that plug into the wall, and manual ones where you pump by hand. I have an electric one. It seems much more convenient to me. You can buy one at almost any pharmacy for about $40. Expressing milk is not a complicated process. You press the pump to your breast, and it does most of the work for you. During the first 30 seconds, the milk might not flow right away, but then you'll feel it start coming. Make sure to express each breast completely so that milk doesn't build up. If milk stays inside, it can form lumps and cause pain, so it's better to finish expressing both sides. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll be posting videos like this every day, so please subscribe. If you'd like to ask questions or chat, follow the link on my main channel page. I have a lot of interesting and useful content there, you'll enjoy it. Bye bye.